This is a superstar who's made clear that she doesn't just consider this a job. She lives and breathes this business. She needs this business.
Yeah, we usually don't consider these matches life or death, but she absolutely does.
Which makes her even more of a threat than her talent does.
But she'll have to maintain her composure as she's going up against a woman with a penchant for getting under her opponent's skin. Facebuster is unique.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
And another counter. Just tattooed to the left.
Knew what was coming there. Boom! Waist lift.
Yeah, raw power there. Wow, what a spine buster.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Burying knees into the body. Arms trapped. And she dodged that one nicely.
Able to interrupt the attack.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. The powerbomb. Oh! Into the lung blower. Straining that trapezius muscle. Shooting pain in the shoulder is the kind of thing that builds and builds during a match. And a slap for the exclamation point.
She had it scouted. Right to the midsection. Step over.
DDT.
She's feeling the hurt here.
Big forearm. The inverted suplex. Both wrists captured it. Keeping in.
Able to reverse that one. Ooh. That kick will stop you in your tracks.
Way to steer clear.
Nasty kick.
She was clearly waiting for a huge toss. Just a perfect mix of pure power and bad intentions. Boom! The demons are being summoned. Foot to the gut.
In the cover. 3, no, oh, that was so close.
A kick out at the slimmest of margins.
She adjusts it and reverses it. Forearm after forearm, vicious attack.
Going up top.
Up high. She comes up empty. Ooh. Mounting. And hammering away.
Side Russian leg sweep.
The end is looming now.
Yeah, things are not looking up for her right now.
Good timing with that reversal. Rope step. Yumeko Jabami.
Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display. Going for broke, and it pays off. Both wrists captured. That was nasty. I don't know what that was, but it looked like it hurt.
She shoots up the top rope.
Dangerous thinking. Whoa, look out. And after that, you know things have just kicked up a notch. Pedal to the metal right now. Uh-oh.
Gotta let her move.
Nobody does that better.
Looking for the victory. 2. Wow, just barely making it out.
Wait, are we sure that was not a 3 count? You can't count that high, Saxton, but that was one of the closest near falls you'll ever see.
That is firing your biggest shot.
At the into the torture rack. Feast your eyes. Sent a message with that one.
Oh, she's still alive.
Escaping that pin must have taken almost everything she's got. Well worth it. Look how frustrated her opponent is.
Can't put this one away even after that big maneuver.
Boom. Staved off that attack. She's closing the book on this one.
Being stopped by rope break.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out.
She got the shoulders down. Oh, kick out.
It doesn't get any closer than that without the bell ringing.
Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems.
And she gets herself out of a precarious position.
At this point,
Double axe handle. Explosive offense. The superstar building momentum.
flying clothesline.
How impressive.
We've got to acknowledge these fans. A packed arena. We're hearing every single voice.
It is loud and it is mad in here. Tiger fake kick too.
And now she's looking to go top rope.
Look out. Off the ropes. Corona spiked them. It could be over here. This is it.
Barely kicks out.
Where is she finding the strength? This is unreal.
He turns it right around with a counter.
Kick to the body.
This arena has come up.
And that might just do it. Cover. Two.
Not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
It was almost all over. Almost a 3 count.
And that result leaves everyone shocked. But will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time?
Shutting that down with the back elbow. Fujiwara armbar applied. This will hyperextend your elbow. Separates your shoulder. Agonizing situation.
Oh my goodness, critical point of the match. Not sure why, but she releases the hold.
I think she sensed her opponent was about to break free.
It's reverse pain for that mistake.
Uh-oh.
Made her pay for her mistake. Ooh. How's that for a counter?
Now this is just a ruthless attack. Such aggression. She looks hell-bent on finishing things right now.
A rope step. Oh no, crashing hard onto the floor.
I don't care how bold you are. Missing on those kind of maneuvers will send you to a medical facility. Medical attention might be needed out here. That was a nasty landing. The WWE Universe really these superstars on. Pumping the adrenaline they so desperately need right now. She anticipated that one.
She re-enters the ring now.
Uh-oh. Arm drag reversal. Cover. Tuck her in. It's bedtime. 2 count.
No, she kicked out.
Her perseverance is unreal, preserving her opportunity to keep this match alive.
That was a great opportunity to put this one away, but it slipped right through her fingers. Reversal! Can she capitalize? Finds the room to land a back elbow. Kick to the gut.
That's another focused attack to her torso area. She's got her where she wants her. A well-timed dodge.
Trap suplex.
She did her homework there. Oh, no.
The counter.
Suplex. Lights out. Up and... That has
extra scouting.
Knee to the midsection into the pump handle. Here